We are in Portugal, and this is the most expensive place that I've ever rented. And I thought it would only be right to give you guys a tour of this place, and maybe you guys can guess how much it costs to rent per night. Look at this thing. Look at that house, pool, house. Let's begin the tour. Welcome to Casa Haapoja. So we are here in Portugal for 12 days, and you know how I've been talking about the experience tank being a little bit low? I think we might have done a little bit of an impulse rent on this place. We're like, let's go big. We haven't traveled forever. We haven't used any money on traveling. We have a travel budget. Let's spend that budget. What do you think of the place so far?
Superb. I think it's one upgrade from going from the office in Newmarket to Finland, and then another upgrade to this office. Another upgrade.
Look at these other villas over here too. There's two lot, and then this one seems to be abandoned.
Don't make fun of it. I bought that one.
We were a little bit nervous driving in. We're like, but then, ta-da! Let's give you guys a tour of our impulse rent Airbnb. Come on in. It's gonna take a little while. It's kind of big. I gotta say it's a little bit too big. It's a little overly big. Okay, so this is the front little area here. You come in. Doesn't seem like much yet, but as soon as you get to here, you start seeing all of the views. Like, so here we have the dining room table area. This has also been our editing spot because you have to feel like you're still enjoying life while editing. You're not just like stuck inside, so you have the views. Come behind me, show. You have all the views here. You see out the window over there, over there, over there. I think that's one of my favorite things about this place is that I think every single room has a view. So kitchen, very important for Princess. She loves to cook. It's pretty nice actually. I liked it a lot. Again, we have a nice view, pretty modern. The only thing I would criticize maybe is this. It's really hard to do this, and then as soon as you get it a little bit open, it's like blasting. You can never get it that's fine, it's fine. Balcony, I think this place has like 17 balconies. This is balcony number 1. There's kitchen balcony right here. We got the barbecue over there. Been barbecuing a little bit. We have this, I feel like we should show this later, this crazy spiral staircase. I'll show that a little bit later. Come back in. Half-eaten Portuguese tart that I'm saving for later because they're delicious. I don't actually know what are these called in Portuguese?
I don't know.
We're such noobs, but they're delicious, so good. So yeah, here's the living room, and I'm pretty sure this is the biggest window I've ever seen in my life. This thing is huge, just to scale for you guys. This is the window, and the views are insane. I don't think this place has any artwork, but you don't really need any artwork when this is the view. Am I correct, Haapoja?
This is correct.
This is correct, this is correct.
We do have one abstract painting right there.
Oh, there is one, okay.
I stared at it this morning.
This is very good, the abstractness. Balcony area number 2, this is where we've been dining outside. Super nice, the sun sets somewhere over there, and we just eat here. Look at the views again. What do you think? What do you think goes to that insane villa over there?
I don't know.
It's gotta be like some like...
Oprah Winfrey.
It's probably Oprah. Did you know Oprah has her own place in Maui, and they literally had to build a road for her just for that own place.
Insane.
At least that's the story I've been told. So yeah, balconies, you can go around. The balconies wrap around. We got the pool down there. We'll get to that in a little bit. Hey buddy, how's the pool? All right, we'll be down in a second. Balconies wrap around. We're not gonna be able to get into. Hold on a second.
This place is so big that it's gonna take him 5 minutes just to walk around and open the door. Ah, you finally got there. I said it's gonna take a few minutes to get through.
Every bedroom has its own balcony, so this right now is more like our storage room for clothes and baby stuff. But yeah, bedrooms all have their own balcony. This balcony, for example, this is your private balcony area. You have this bedroom. Bathroom, there's a lot of bathrooms. I don't think we need to do all the bathrooms, do we?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Let's go upstairs quickly. I feel like these stairs are the most deathly stairs ever. Marble, just like you're gonna eat shit if you fall. Okay, there's that point. Are we permission to enter?
I hope so. I think it's clean.
It's pretty clean looking. This is that point Vera's bedroom right now.
Nah,
very
perfection.
Nice. It looks so good. High ceilings. We got the bathroom over there. Probably don't need to do the bathroom again. That point Vera wake up and this is their view right here.
We look up, we go, should we go running? Let's go for a run up there.
I don't think, have we seen a single cloud while we've been here?
Nope.
I think maybe the first day when we arrived and we're driving here. After that, blue skies. Again, you get your own balcony. Shared rooftop balcony. We'll come out here in a second.
From entrance number 2.
Yeah. Then to the master bedroom, we have a walk-in closet, which I've never had in my life. Have you ever had a walk-in closet?
Actually, we do in Toronto.
Do you?
Yeah.
You guys are living the high life. Walk-in closet, which we just like put our luggage and stuff, and then have my gear corner, which even my gear has a view.
Oh, a villa.
Of You guys liking it here? Nice. We got the master bathroom here. Excuse if it's a little dirty. Very nice. Come on into here. Again, look at this view. This is insanity. That's your view from the bathroom. Craziness. And then I'm still not sure how I feel about, this is great, the waterfall, but do you ever use these? Like body jet shower things?
I haven't seen that.
I feel like I'm just a simple guy and this is more than enough. I don't usually use the body. What do you guys, have you guys ever used? I don't know. All right, continuing on. This is where my family has been sleeping. We got Kai's special bed. That's how we get him to sleep there, at the special bed. A little cot there on the side, and then our bed. And again, you have views from every single window. Beautiful, beautiful views. It's quite nice. Okay, let's simulate. You stay there. This is what, by the way, every single room in the whole house has these.
Oh, these are good.
It's so good. You get this, we've slept so well here. I think like we've slept in pretty much every single morning because of these. Okay, so can you imagine in the morning you wake up and then hit that button. This is gonna be the longest 10 seconds, 20 seconds of your life right here. Just lying down and you take that view in.
Not bad.
That's the high life right there, I think. Still, it's hard to comprehend these views. It's one of those like, I don't get it.
Show the patio.
Oh yeah, patio, forgot. And of course, patio access. Every single bedroom has patio access. And the pool cover has seen better days, but
hot
tub cover. We got a hot tub right here, which actually we've only used once.
Or more sauna family.
The problem is when you have 2 kids, it gets a little bit crazy, and by the time you get them fed and in bed, the hot tub looks very tempting, but just not tempting enough necessarily. You just kind of want to get some sleep. Rooftop patio. This is the life right here. This is very impressive. And if you look down, you see how many. So we're on the rooftop balcony, and then there's this one, then there's one underneath that one, and then there's still the pool down there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balcony patios to choose from. looks a little bit overkill. I'm pretty sure we haven't used the one down there pretty much at all. Oh, and then I don't know if you guys can see this road. This road goes down. It maybe seems like a far distance, but it's maybe like a 10-minute walk, and then there's a beach right there. So that's also very nice. Nice location. Very quiet here too. I don't know if it's just, you know, Corona times or it's just off season or what. Then we're gonna keep going downstairs. Got our laundry room in there. This is the games room. We got a little pool table. Peter, you should be here practicing your pool skills. We haven't used it once yet.
Maybe we should have matched tonight.
Maybe. We must have been going out, going to the beach and stuff. Haven't been playing PlayStation 3. I think this is a PlayStation 3. I haven't been playing that thing. We got a little gym here. I don't know why you would work out inside here in the bathroom. I don't know why you would work out inside when you can go and run in like the cliffs and all the beautiful areas, beaches. Haven't used that stuff at all. This is the theme. It's a big house, but we really haven't, for example, this floor, we literally haven't been here at all other than just to walk through. There's another bedroom in here too, which we've just stolen the blankets from, that's it. But again, I haven't even gone through here. Have you gone through here yet?
No.
Not once. This bedroom also has its own balcony, and it has a little like breakfast table area. We haven't ate there once. I think this place is too big for us.
Maybe we should have invited more people.
Yeah, if we came here again, we would need at least minimum 4 more people, and then it would feel like, okay, yeah, we're making use of this space.
What the? I thought you were going for another one.
I'm a magician.
There's so many balcony doors.
Got our little couch hangout here. Yeah, if you want to just chill and enjoy the views, there's one more spot to chill. There's definitely like enough places to find your own peace and quiet here, except with kids. They just, doesn't matter where you go, they come with you. Extension balcony. Also first time ever being right here.
How are the views?
It's pretty nice. Satellite dishes. Okay, and then, so there's 2 ways to get to the pool, which is probably my favorite part of the house. You could take the normal route, which is fine. The other route is, if you want to go straight from the kitchen, you have this crazy spiral staircase. So this is the kitchen floor level balcony, and then we can go all the way down these. A little bit treacherous to the pool area. I think this is probably my favorite part of the whole house. The heated pool. It's been surprisingly chilly here, like probably like 20 degrees Celsius at nighttime, so having a heated pool helps a little bit. Coco, how are you enjoying the house? You like it?
I like it too.
You like it too? You've been having fun?
My favorite part is when I go in the pool and hot tub.
Oh yeah, the pool and hot tub, is that your favorite part? Yeah, this is quite the relaxation spot right here. So yeah, this was probably the longest video ever because this house is a little bit too big. I'll show you one more thing. There's actually a little garden area even here. And the cool thing, at least for me, see, hopefully there's no, is there any Portuguese people? Is there any like dangerous insects? Am I gonna get like bit by a scorpion or something, stung by a scorpion or some sort of snake down here? This right here, I don't know if you guys know what this tree is, but let me see if I can find one. Look at this. It's a lemon tree. I don't think I've ever seen a lemon tree in real life, and we have one at the villa here. Oh, these rocks are hot. Barefoot, mistake. Oh, thanks for making it wet so it cools down my feet. Are your feet getting hot, Kai?
No.
No? Okay, so you guys have seen the ridiculous house tour, the new villa for Travel Feels HQ. How much do you think this place would cost a night? That's my question to you. Type it down in the comments real quick. Guess, no cheating. Okay, this place costs $700 a night. which I don't know about you guys, but that is by far the most expensive place I have ever rented in my life. But yeah, like I said, I think it was a bit of a impulse / we just wanted a cool experience, and these views, this place, it is filling up the experience tank. Even though traveling, like we were talking about, very tricky at times, very tiring, but we are making the most of it, filling up the experience tank, and I don't think we will ever forget staying here. Yeah, I think just next time we need a few more people to come hang out with. Anybody want to come join? Peter? Peter, do you want to? We have space for you. There's a whole balcony, whole floor actually. See you guys. This is how you fly a drone when you're on work vacation.
Straight out of the pool.
Take the controller. I'm gonna take some sun now.
Go relax.
This is the 15 seconds of quietness you get for the day. Then the kids will start screaming.